Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. And today we are talking about how to upload your videos the right way. And when I looked at this title, I was wondering, is there the right or the wrong way to upload your videos? And I watched one lady make a video about this. And one of the things that you should look at so that your video is uploaded the right way, because the ultimate goal is that you get more viewers and probably more subscribers. And one of the things is to search the title. The title of your video, you have to search it like in the beginning. Go to the YouTube search engine, input the title that you want to write, and look at that title and search for other videos that have been made using the same title. Compare the performance and then look at when was it uploaded. So if it's a new video, let's say 0 to 3 months, then you know that that video, if it's still performing well, it means that if you create the same title video, then the performance is going to be good or as good as the one that someone else made within the 3 months. Of course, we have the evergreen videos that are like continuing to get views even for a long time. So search for your title and then compare the title based on the performance and when it was made. And then make your thumbnail in the beginning. Initially, I was making my thumbnail, so like I do the shooting or the recording, and then later on, I do the thumbnail. And it is actually recommended that you do your thumbnail in the beginning. And that way, the energy that you put or that is expressed in your thumbnail in the beginning continues to flow through the actual video. And then still when you're doing your thumbnail, capitalize on the title. The words that you have used in the words that you're using in your title, capitalize the same words. Kind of complement or actually use the similar words that you have used in your title. That way, when YouTube is analyzing your metadata, it kind of finds out the same words that you have used in the title are the same ones that you have used in your thumbnail. And then do your video recording. And during the video recording, capitalize on the same words. Yeah, the right way to upload your videos to YouTube. Use it as many times as possible. If you're talking about YouTube monetization, talk about monetization as many times as possible in your video. If you're talking about how to go viral on YouTube, use the same similar words as many times as possible. And then once you complete your recording, save the video file with the title of your video. Yeah, that sounds very silly, but I saw this and someone else used the same method and their video actually went viral. So if you're talking about how to upload videos the right way, use that as your title. Use it in your thumbnail. And then when you go to uploading to YouTube, upload either as unlisted or private, because this gives you time for you to edit if there's something missing, because you need to add the tags, you need to add the end screen, all those things. So it gives you time to finish editing all those things before you put your video in public. And once you upload into YouTube, then you go into your description. In the description part, also remember to use the keywords that you used in the title. So repeat or kind of explain what is in the title, what is in the video, in simple words that your audience can understand, and capitalizing on the words that are in the title. That way, when YouTube is kind of analyzing your video, they will come across those words, similar words, and they're able to recommend your video to the right audiences. And then after that, you work on your tags. And on the tags, you also use a similar version. Use the same words that you're using in the title. And that way, your video is recommended to the right audience. So basically, that's what I had for this video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. And next, we're going to look at what you can do if YouTube is still not recommending your videos. So let's learn more what we can do so we can grow our YouTube channels. Thank you very much.